Hi everybody, Rick McAvoy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rick McAvoy Photography. I've been away for a couple of weeks. Well, when I say away, I haven't posted a video for a couple of weeks. I've been busy with my website, which has been horrendous. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what it is really like moving from Squarespace to WordPress. I've just gone through the process. I still have a lot more work to do, and I will be posting another video next week. So this is really the catch-up now that the video, this is the catch-up of where I am as at, it was, sorry, strange times at the moment, Monday of last week. So let's get into the video, which is based around the blog post, which you can read at rickmcavoyphotography.com/blog. In the post, what I do is I tell you pretty much what I had to do to make the change. First question, why would I want to change from Squarespace to WordPress? One of the main reasons is that the page speed on Squarespace was horrendously slow, and once I start placing ads on my website, my speed will get even slower. Google won't like me. This had to change. I've already built a website called Paxos Travel Guide, which is on WordPress, which has got a super fast theme and is quick, and it helps massively with the user experience and also with your Google searchability. So it's the Rick McAvoy Photography website, which I've had since about 2008. It used to be rickmcavoyphotography.co.uk. Last year I changed it to a .com. Now I'm going to WordPress. This will be the final structural change to my website until I'm rich enough that I can pay somebody else to do it, because I'm not going to lie to you, I'm bored with it. So, I'm just scanning through the blog posts. I'm going to pick out the highlights and speak about them. Am I a WordPress user? I have to say I am, although I'm not very good. So I've had to enlist some help. The help I have had from my host for my websites, Bluehost, who have fantastic online chat. Yes, I am an affiliate of Bluehost, so if you buy hosting through the affiliate link on my website, I get a very nice commission. If you do, thank you. But please remember that I'm a paying customer of Bluehost, and happy to be so, because they have got me out of so many bits of trouble you would not believe. They've been fantastic in helping me in this, and with lots of other things, setting up websites, sorting out problems. The other group of people I need to make a quick mention are the people from the community of Income School, which I'm a paying customer of Income School, and their Project 24 project, as it's called Project 24, it would be a project, wouldn't it? Which is designed to help you build a passive income in 24 months. I'm a paying customer, there's a community, you ask a question, there are normal people there who give you advice so you can understand. So yes, I can use WordPress to a very limited degree and need a large amount of help. So if you want to do this, either learn WordPress or make sure you've got people who you can get advice from. Okay. What is Squarespace? Squarespace is a template website. Pay about 20 quid a month for it. It's dead easy. You get great looking websites really quickly. Squarespace, I have to say, have brilliant customer support as well, and have been brilliant. I think I've just outgrown them now. So, what is WordPress? Open source WordPress website platform. That didn't make sense, did it? Apparently 25% of the internet roughly is on WordPress, so that'll do for me. And the people at Income School recommend WordPress websites too, so who am I to argue? Why am I doing this? What's wrong with Squarespace? The speed. I knew there was a specific thing. My page speed, according to Google, on mobile was 30 out of 100, which is, quite frankly, horrendous. The desktop speed is 87, which is pretty good, so I need the mobile speed increasing. So, what were the steps? I'm just going to go through the steps here. Step 1, create a new website on Bluehost. I managed to build everything offline with my website live on Squarespace, then change things over. It worked better than I thought it would. Step 2, import the content of my website. Now, if you look at the instructions for Squarespace and WordPress, it's dead easy. You click a button to export, click a button to import, voila, website there. Not really. Step 3, realise that there are lots of blog posts missing. Now, it turns out I had 2,300 blog posts. Let's not talk about how I got into the position of having so much stuff on my website with a disappointingly large number of posts which are just plain rubbish that need deleting. And there are only 221 blog posts after the first import, so over 2,000 missing. How do I know I got so many blog posts? In the end, I counted them all. I went through each blog post on my Squarespace website one by one and recorded date, published, title of the post and the URL, all 2,300. I then compared it with WordPress and basically I had to do a manual fix. The import export should have done all this for me. It didn't. Anyway, I won't say any more about that. Read about that on my blog if you want to. Step 4, lists all the posts on my new photography blog. Step 5, check the list on my WordPress sites. Step 6, do the same for the web pages. Step 7, set up the website in WordPress. So at that point, I skipped through a load of stuff there. That's many, many, many hours of work. But I got to the point where I thought, yep, I'm done here. So I changed name servers from Squarespace to Bluehost. And then I panicked. I did this on a Friday afternoon at 2:30 p.m. My website disappeared from Bluehost. Everything went. It was horrendous. So I had some wine and went to bed, and in the morning, with the help of Bluehost again, fixed it. So I've got a live website now on WordPress. I review the content and I have problems all over the place. Page speed, desktop 91, mobile 85, nice and quick, but the URLs were a bit all over the place. So check the post for the next bit of the tedious process, because this is very boring. And I'm going to stop there because that's enough for 1 week. Like I say, I'm fed up with this, but at the same time, I'm loving the new website. I'm loving being on WordPress. So if you want to do it, read the blog post in detail. Next week, I think I'm going to be writing a little bit more about things because I've got more work to do, which is a shame, but once it's done, it's done. Last thing I'll say for now is that I had my first website in 2007. It's now 2020, 13 years. This is a once in 13 years job, which I am happy to spend the time doing once and properly. Thank you for watching. Sorry if it's boring. I hope you like the change of location to the kitchen. And I'll see you next week for hopefully the last word on moving a Squarespace website to WordPress. I nearly flipped my lines right at the end then. If you found anything remotely interesting in this video, please subscribe to my blog. Well, you can't subscribe to my blog because I haven't worked out how to set that up yet. That's another job to do, note to self. But you can subscribe to my YouTube channel where I will be back posting weekly YouTube videos about my weekly blog posts. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'm Rick. Now for the embarrassing bit where I lean forward and press the stop button.